Hi there, my name is Erland Sommarskog, I'm from Stockholm, and I will be speaking at the PASS Community Summit this year. Just like last year, the PASS Community Summit will be online. But there is a great thing which is new this year. It's free! So, all you have to do is to invest your time. You can spend 3 days, or even 5 days if you go to pre-con, and listen to sessions and learn more things about SQL Server and the data platform. So, what would I talk about then? Well, my session is entitled Error and Transaction Handling in SQL Server. A kind of favorite topic of mine, or maybe a hate topic I should say. You might think, a session about error handling, that sounds trivial. No, error handling in SQL Server is not trivial, and you will learn why in my session. I will start to show you what SQL Server can do in case there is an error in your code, and you will find that there is quite a bit of variation. I will try to tell you how you should implement error handling, and particularly that it should be simple. Don't try to do fancy stuff. SQL Server is not the venue for that. Most of the time, you need to understand how to handle unexpected errors. But sometimes you want to do something which you know can go wrong and then employ a plan B. That is something I will touch. And also, I will talk about deadlock retries. Some people say you should always retry a deadlock. I am not so sure that you should, but sometimes you should, yes. But why not always? Well, if you listen to my talk in November, you will learn why. See you then. Bye!